guys, I am Madhushree and I am back with all of you guys and you are watching Madhushree's Creation. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about the company, the Be Minimalist, because this is the brand which is now overhyped, and I think I should talk about these products and the formulation of this product, because it is the complete dupe of the ordinary one, which is not at all available in India right now. Maybe बाद में कभी अवेलेबल हो जाए, बट अभी वो इंडिया में अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो बी मिनिमलिस्ट इज इंडियन ब्रांड एंड they are copying the product of ordinary. So I think I need to talk about these products, because all of these Indians right now, we are buying the be minimalist products and we are thinking that these are good. So I need to talk to you guys about few products, and this is the first part of the review part, and I am going to make the second part of this this series, because there are a lot of products and I want to talk to you guys about each and every product and their ingredient list and their which are good for your skin, which are not good for your skin, each and everything. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting this video, there are a few things I want to talk to you guys about, because I am going to tell you guys the dermatologist honest review, because I talked about these products with my dermatologist and they told me these things, and I am gonna tell you guys those opinions. There are some products which are good and there are some products which are not at all good for your skin right now. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First and the most hyped product is 10% niacinamide serum, and we all know that niacinamide is best friend for oily acne prone skin and also who are suffering from open pores problems or something like that, extra sebum production problem. This niacinamide is their best friend. So they have launched their 10% niacinamide serum. Let me just say, yes, 10% niacinamide plus 1% zinc serum, which is good because the formulation of this product is quite simple and minimum. They have aloe vera in it, which is anti-inflammatory, and they have 10% niacinamide in it, which is also very good, and they have no fragrance, no artificial color, and no essential oils in it. So this is good for those skin type people who have open pore problem and also suffering from acne, and dusky skin tone people also can use this, because sometimes dusky skin tone people feels a lot of hyperpigmentation problem and also faces a lot of skin irritation problem because of their melanin production. So yeah, it will not burn your skin, but if you are a beginner, then try to find a low percentage of niacinamide serum, which means 5% niacinamide serum or 2% niacinamide serum, then gradually increase the percentage of your niacinamide on your serum. So please try to find the low percentage first and apply it on your face for 2 to 3 months. Then you will kind of habituate with this thing, and then your skin can take 10% niacinamide serum by its own, which will be good for your skin. Second item is, which is 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA serum. I think this is not good for you guys, because 25% of AHA, that means glycolic acid and lactic acid percentage will be 25%, which is too high for dusky skin tone people, especially they have a chance to get hyperpigmentation if they get burned by this product. So I think any skin type people, whether it is oily or acne prone or dry or sensitive, nobody should use this product, because the AHA percentage is extremely high, which is not good for your skin, because glycolic acid and lactic acid are there, which is 25%, which is too high, and this is exactly the copy paste of the ordinary one. So if you want to buy the ordinary one also, then please do not buy it, because that product also contains lot of 25% of AHA, which is not good for your skin, which can burn your skin, which will give you hyperpigmentation problem later on. Because if your skin is burnt, if your skin gets irritation, if your skin gets bumps, acne, then that can cause hyperpigmentation and lot of skin irritation, sensitiveness to your skin. So I recommend, my dermatologist also say that do not use 25% AHA product which is too high for your skin, because your skin will not take that in a good way. Your skin can get burned by it. So yeah, do not use it. Yeah, in my opinion and my doctor opinion, it's not good for your skin, guys. It's a thumbs down from my side. Okay, the next product is 2% alpha arbutin and 1% hyaluronic acid, which is again a good product. Their formulation is also very good and very simple. They contain a lot of aloe vera in it, and alpha arbutin, which is good for your skin, which can cause which will give you that hydration, which will provide you that boost of hydration. If you have dry skin, then please use it, because it will give you that hydration and that plumpy skin to your to you. And please, after this, use a lot of moisturizer, because hyaluronic acid is a humectant. So it will suck the water molecules from the environment and give it to your skin. But if you live in a dry environment, then that hyaluronic acid will suck your water from your skin, from your skin, and it will make your skin more dry. So if you are using this product, then after using it, use a good amount of moisturizer, so that your hyaluronic acid can get moisture from your moisturizer and lock it on your skin, which will be good for your skin. So yeah, this is a good product, and my dermatologist also say that. And this is a thumbs up from me and my dermatologist's side. So you can buy it. I'll definitely recommend it to you guys. This is it for today's video. Then इसका सेकंड पार्ट आने वाला है, जिसमें मैं और फिर 3 प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताऊंगी कि कौन सा अच्छा है, कौन सा अच्छा नहीं है, कौन सा आपको यूज करना चाहिए, कौन सा यूज नहीं करना चाहिए. बिकॉज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स हैव पोटेंट इंग्रेडिएंट. दीज आर द ट्रीटमेंट that you should have on your skincare regime because of your skin issues. But if you don't have any kind of skin issue, then do not buy these products. Only you need a good face wash, a good moisturizer and a lip balm. That's it. And a good sunscreen. So yeah, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलता है अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. ध्यान रखना. Lots of love.